Hello guys, um, got another video for you. Got JetBlue right here, dinosaur, not airplane, but that's okay. We got this picture, the airplane shop. Got this from the airplane shop, and yes, this is it, my room. Yeah, that's my sister's room. Sorry. Yep. And let's open the door. Might be a little messy, but you know, I guess it's a room. Got LED lights. Like, I can make their whole room, like, blue. It's nighttime. Oh, yeah, we got Southwest Airlines flying around the mountains. And, we got this Navy Army plane. We got Hawaiian. We got JetBlue. FedEx. I almost said Netflix. Boeing 737. I don't know that airline, but you know it, cool. Delta, Alaska. I think I have two Alaska pictures. And one Alaska plane. We got Disney Alaska. Yeah. And we got a plane hanging. Got some just under my bed. Oh. Oh, sorry. I did not mean to do that. Okay, I'm sorry. Yep. Got United right there. And the cool about this is we have airplane pillows right there. Look at that. That's so cool. I have a lot of blankets, so yeah. But yeah. Yep. You can tell it's raining. Well, now the sun's coming out. But yeah. Blue curtain. Flag. There's a self. Alright. Let's get to the monoplanes now. We got Southwest Airlines. Ooh. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. 737-700. And this is a 200 scale. This is 1/400 scale Gemini jets. These two are Gemini jets. We got Alaska Airlines 73 Max 8. 73 Max 8. I'm pretty sure that's what I say. Sorry, I'm tired right now. We got United 737-800. We got PBA plane. It's a nice plane. And I got these 4 on there, but yeah, no, I have, but I did unbox these 4, but I didn't unbox this one for you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna show you the boxes. The box that I have right here, whatever plane you get, you probably already know this, but you want to keep these boxes. So we got, you know, United, Alaska, and American. Yep. So, oh yeah, this. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'll show you that stuff. So let's go see the self on my planes. Got Lone Star right here. 737-700. We got United States. Freedom Southwest 737-800. We got Southwest 73 Max 8. Sorry, I'm terrible with name planes right now. Got a United 747, and I do have a United Star over there. But yep, we got a Southwest 73800. It's not the best, but yeah. And some knucklers. And I would probably show you that, but yep. And I'm not kind of done yet, but some pictures. That's my middle school. And yep. That's about it right now. So I see you guys later. Bye.